in Westmeath in Ireland in '61. She's been in the United States since '62 with her adoptive parents Rosemary and Francis and settled in Brooklyn. Following college, Noreen began a 22-year career with the New York City Council. She retired as head secretary to the director of the computer division. Noreen joined the Ladies' Ancient of Hibernians, Richmond County in '97, and she's held many offices, including president. Noreen is a member of the Columbianettes, which is, the female version of the Knights of Columbus. She's a knight of Python Sisters in Brooklyn, and Noreen resides in Donegan Hill and is an active member of St. Anne's Church, where she supports the children in many voluntary capacities. Please welcome the Richmond County Aide to the Grand Marshal, Noreen P. Hanson.